Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own healing crystal necklace. Now, have you noticed the recent trend of these necklaces? It's an intriguing fusion of fashion and wellness that's making waves in the jewelry world. There's a surge of interest in these unique pieces, with customers raving about their experiences. One customer shares, "I bought 2 necklaces and got one free, and each one is unique with slight variations in size, shape, and color. I love that I have a choice for every mood and outfit." Another customer commends the seller's commitment to quality, stating, "The seller provides an excellent customer experience. They're quick to address any issues, and they even do a light cleansing on the crystals. This shows their dedication to their craft and care for their customers." Yet another customer appreciates the seller's promptness, saying, "The seller usually responds within a few hours. I also love that my order was scheduled to ship within 2 business days. It's refreshing to see such efficiency in an online store." And the reviews keep pouring in. A satisfied customer raves, "I love the promotion of buying 2 necklaces and getting one free. It's a great deal, and the healing crystal necklaces are worth every penny. Plus, the seller accepts returns and exchanges, which adds to the overall customer experience." The healing crystal necklaces trend is more than just a passing fad. It's a testament to the beauty and power of nature, encapsulated in stunning pieces of jewelry that you can wear close to your heart. It's a fashion statement with a wellness twist. So why not explore this trend for yourself? Check out the healing crystal necklaces. Experience the fusion of beauty and wellness, fashion and nature. Feel the energy of the crystals and see how they can enhance your style and your well-being. Remember, every crystal tells a story. What will yours say? We hope you've enjoyed learning about the healing power and beauty of crystal necklaces. We're certain that you're as intrigued as we are. Don't miss out on this trend. Dive into the world of healing crystals and see for yourself how they can make a difference in your life. Check out the link in the description below to buy your own healing crystal necklace. Start your journey with healing crystals today. Remember, every crystal tells a story. What will yours say?